Hey guys, welcome to currency review for the upcoming week with Quantloss's diary. So this is something we started new and we're probably going to follow through with it later on every week. We are going to analyze and show you some of the currency and what are the possible moves that are expected out of it for next upcoming weeks and on the similar months. So the currency will not use any fundamental or other parameter. Only parameter that we will use for currency are the technical analysis, and at the same time we will be using major levels as part of the script that are available in the trading view, which means for USDINR it will be the forex FX ONADA rates and not the actual Nifty rates. So you will may need to convert the levels to the Nifty levels later on. We can quickly show the immediate levels that are equivalent. So we'll start with the USDINR. If you see that with the Bank Nifty appreciations and Bank Nifty going up and then price haven't given a breakdown below, if you see in the daily time frame, and then price continued to follow downwards. The major support of this currency fail is there around 72, slightly above here and slightly below it could be, but it's around 72 only. Okay, so this is your major support level. If price comes sustained below this level, then you can expect further appreciations, but which I am not expecting right now. So price likely to, even the falls might likely to take support around 72 to 72.4. Now if you go to a little bit closer time frame, let's say hourly chart, if you see the dollar has been falling in respect to INR, and if you see here price has trying to take support in this zone. So there has been one breakdown, price came up and giving resistance. So second time if it breaks down and comes to this level, it will not be so lucky, so it will likely to fall further towards 72.4 level if it comes below this 72.95. so 72.9 below, we'll expect 72.4. so that's one thing. Second thing is price right now is taking support here around 73, and if you see that because of the last day's fall price has not given any fierce up move from here, but even if it's try to give up move, it will find resistance around 73.46. so these two levels will be your immediate levels, 72.9 and 73.46. the equivalent level will be let's go to 15-minute time frame. Okay, so equivalent level here it will be in the September series of USDINR will be 73.45, rather 73.42 level, and will be this level 73.18. so this will be the immediate level that we will be looking for, 73.42 and 73.17. so breaking below this, it will continue further and breaking above this. In the meanwhile, you can do swing trading based on the swing fell or retest. So if it test here and come down, you can sell here and look for this target, or if it comes down here, take support, start going up, you can rebuy again. So that's a USDINR. Then let's go to GBPINR. Okay, so GBPINR top down analysis. So first thing is, if you need to notice that it has been in sideways since last 1 month, and there has been one attempt to go above here, but it has failed and come down back in the range, and it tried to fall here again, then it came in back in the range. So with a bigger swing, if we can expect from here to here, it's actually in consolidation. Now if we go a little bit lower time frame, if we see here, this has been an important level since this swing low and this swing low and this swing low connecting this line. Price if sustains above this, price will continue its journey towards this level. If comes back below again, it will come to this level. So if we take a little bit closer look again, okay, so initial level right now, if you see in 15-minute chart, So this will be your target in case price sustain below 97.2 and come to this level, and in case price like maintain this candle, whatever this candle is, last 15-minute candle, this candle low maintained, price will continue upward towards this level. The same will be in the September future level. Equivalent will be here. So let's go to 15-minute chart. Oops. So if you check the 15-minute charts here, you'll notice this trend line that price is suspectively below it strongly, which means the same candle low will be your trigger point. So 97.28, it will come near here, or it may go further up. So this level 97.61, 97.28, so these two level will be important for you. So price from here, if it maintain this low, it will go near 97.6, but if it crash again, it will come near around this level. So the major trend in this is a falling trend, because if you see, there has been big fall from here and then try to go up, but it did not make a higher high from here. So which means the actual trend is underlying trend is bearish trend for this. So which means if it breaks down this, that means you definitely don't want to hold long. Okay, that's the GBPINR. Now let's check EURINR. So EURINR is rather a steady one in the fall bearish trend. So EURINR is falling from 89 to right now came around 86. You look at even daily chart also, that price has been steadily falling, and this is also a M pattern neckline breakdown. So initial target likely to it will continue further down, and if you see here, this is the support zone. So if we see, notice a little bit here that previous high, it is giving it support, but if it breaks this below this level, which is let's say this level, if it breaks below this, it will continue further down. So if we look at a closer look in 15-minute chart, so 86.18 is the major level, where if it breaks down, it will continue bigger fall, but in meanwhile it may come towards the trend line, since you know this level 86.75 above, it may come towards this trend line. So this level above, it may come towards trend line, but if it breaks this level, it will continue further forward. In between, it likely to be sideways, so we'll avoid in between trading. Let's check in the September future in the NSE. So again, so this is also another pattern is there in a 15-minute chart, symmetrical wedge pattern, but we are going to ignore that and keep it this keep a level that will be actually be useful. So this is the level for you to watch. Okay, so this may form a W pattern and come towards this neckline here, which means 86.94 above. If price stays, it can come towards 87.3 level. Okay, so you will be avoiding any long below this 86.94 level. So if you will be avoiding long below this level, this is above long. So that's a USDINR, GBPINR and EURINR, three major currencies against INR outlook for upcoming week and the next